Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my second attempt at creating a tufted rug, and today we're bringing Sylvester the Cat to life. That is until I put a giant hole in it. Let me show you how I fixed it. I started with tweezers, plucking out all of those pieces of yarn to give me more of a rectangular shape around the hole. Next, I grabbed a piece of my canvas, a needle, and some of my cross-stitch thread that's similar in color, and I went ahead and stitched it over top of the hole. Next, I grabbed my glue gun and just glued the edges around and then traced the pattern back onto the canvas. Then here you go. I went ahead and filled it in. From the front, you can barely tell that the patch was even put in place. All was going well until I made more holes on the canvas and had to make some more patches. But here it is with the adhesive put onto the back. There you have it. We've tufted our Sylvester rug, and I think it looks kind of good. Remember, I'm still new at this, so thank you for coming along on the journey with me. In the next video, we'll tackle the finishing touches, including shaving and carving. But don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can be here for the next video.